Hai, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Perkenalkan, nama saya Devina Rizmunda Rahma. NPM saya 2019 01500 Saya dari Universitas Indra Prasta PGRI, kelas R8H, jurusan bimbingan dan konseling. Di sini saya akan membuat video cara menjawab interview pekerjaan menggunakan bahasa Inggris dan dalam konteks video ini adalah ketika kita melamar sebagai seorang guru di sekolah. Silakan ditonton videonya ya teman-teman. Terima kasih. Oke, ketika pewawancara menanyakan pertanyaan misalnya seperti tell me about me something yourself, maka contoh untuk menjawab pertanyaan tersebut seperti ini ya teman-teman. Hello sir, before that I would like to introduce myself first. My name is Devina Rizky Rahma. I am 21 years old and I'm a fresh graduate from Indra Prasta PGRI University, majoring in guidance and counseling. Okay, next I will explain something about myself. I have the ability to interact well in a social environment and have the ability to operate office work and be able to operate digital device as they are currently used to support work in the current digitalization era. And I am able to work well with the team and always try to be willing to learn. Lalu untuk question selanjutnya, ketika pewawancara menanyakan seperti ini, why do you want to work here? Dan kita bisa menjawab seperti ini, I want to work here because I want to feel a new atmosphere and also want to hone my skill to be even better by working here. Nah, untuk question selanjutnya, ketika pewawancara menanyakan why do you want this job, kita bisa menjawab seperti ini, because this job is in accordance with the field that I'm good at and in accordance with my major during college. Apart from that, this job is one of my dreams and I want to channel my skill and expertise by applying for this job. Lalu untuk question selanjutnya, ketika pewawancara menanyakan what is your great strength, maka kita akan menjawab seperti ini, atau kita bisa menjawab seperti ini ya teman-teman. My strength is have good work ethic. Besides that, I have too more experience with school internship as guidance and counseling teacher. Armed with this experience, I'm sure to be able to apply my knowledge to the school. Lalu untuk question selanjutnya, ketika pewawancara menanyakan what are your great strengths and weakness, maka saya bisa menjawab atau kita bisa menjawab seperti ini. My strength is that I can manage my time so well. When there are a lot of projects, I can sort priorities and complete tasks according to deadline. And my weakness is that I cannot move and think faster because I always have careful consideration in completing a job. However, for now, I always try to be fast in doing everything, including a project that will be carried out in the future. Nah, untuk question selanjutnya, ketika pewawancara juga menanyakan seperti ini, why should we hire you? Maka kita bisa menjawab, atau saya bisa menjawab seperti ini, I believe that I am the best fit for this position because I have competence in teaching and providing education that has been validated through certification, and I'm also very familiar with this kind of work environment, and I can adapt easily to other students and teachers. Lalu untuk question selanjutnya, ketika pewawancara menanyakan seperti ini, what is your great accomplishment? Maka kita bisa menjawab seperti ini. In the previous school, the organizational structure of guidance and counseling was irregular. Many things we are deviate, and such as how the flow of cases was handled and what it should be like. Then the guidance and counseling classes at the school are not paid enough attention, so that there are still empty hours when learning activities take place. After I worked there, my colleagues and I jointly revamped the structure and duties of guidance and counseling teachers in the school so as to achieve the desired school goals, namely providing an effective life for student, teacher, and all school members. Lalu untuk question selanjutnya, ketika pewawancara menanyakan seperti ini, where do you see yourself in 5 years? Itu artinya bagaimana rencana kita ke depannya. Maka saya bisa menjawab seperti ini, teman-teman. The plan for the next 5 years, I want to become a lecturer. Therefore, I have to start from the school environment, and I will continue my master degree before later going to a higher level.